Good morning, students. As I had said in my previous class that today's problem is going to be word problems. So we will be doing these problems on a different day. So today's day has come. So these are the three word problems which are there at the end of this exercise. Question number 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 7.4. So I have written down the question beforehand so that your time is not wasted while I write down the question. You can refer to these questions in your textbook also. Alright. So I will read out the question and make you understand the meaning of the question at first. And the same way, you should also read the question silently and try to understand the question first, that what the question is asking for. First, Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. And Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? Okay. So we'll see number of pages. Read by Ela is equal to 25 pages out of 100 pages. And of the same book, number of pages read by Lalita is given in terms of a fraction, is 2 by 5 of the same book, that means of 100 pages. So how much will this be equal to then? 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 100. So it will be equal to 20 pages out of 100 pages. So since 20 is lesser than 25, therefore who read more pages? Ela read more pages. How many pages did she read? She read 25 pages. Next question is, let us see the next question. Rafiq exercised 3 by 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for longer term? So of an hour means of 60 minutes. Out of 60 minutes, how many minutes did he exercise? So minutes used by Rafiq to exercise will be equal to 3 by 6 of an hour, that means 60 minutes. It will become equal to 30 minutes. Similarly, minutes used by Rohit to exercise is equal to 3 by 4 of an hour. So we'll write 3 by 4 of an hour. How much will this be? This will be 230 times and 2 twice 15, and 15 threes are 45 minutes. So we can write that Rafiq exercised more than Rohit. So we can write Rafiq exercised more than Rohit. Rafiq exercised more than Rohit because Rafiq exercised for 30 minutes and Rohit exercised for 45 minutes. So who exercised more? Which is more here? Rohit or Rafiq? Rohit is more. So we'll write Rohit exercised more than Rafiq. Isn't it? So it is becoming too many words in one place. So I will erase it and rewrite. So it will be Rohit exercised more than Rafiq. See, it is very clear that 35 is lesser than 45. Next question, if you read, there are two classes. One is A and there is B. In A there are 25 students and in B there are 30 students. In this first class, that means class A, 20 out of 25 students got 60 and more. But in second class, 24 out of 30 students got 60 and more. So in which class greater fraction of students were getting 60 and more? In which class more number of students were getting 60% or more? Okay. So what we will see, we will compare the fraction. So fraction of students in class A getting, or in simple words you can write passing, is equal to 20 by 25. And fraction of students in class passing will be 24 by 30. So we have to find which of these fractions are greater. So what we can do, we can simplify them at first and then we will see that if they are becoming like fraction or not. So this will become, if I divide numerator and divide denominator by 5, it will become 4 by 5. And this one, if I divide it by 6, then 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. This will also become 4 by 5. So actually these two are equivalent fractions. These two are equivalent fractions. the fraction of students in class A passing was 20 by 25. In simplest form, we can write 4 by 5. And fraction of students in class B passing was 24 out of total 30, was also simplified to be 4 by 5. So this was for class A. This was for class B. And we find that both the fractions are equal. So what will be the concluding statement which we can write? We can write, in both the classes, equal number of students or equal fraction of students passed with 60% or more marks. Passed with 60% or more marks, because these two fractions are equivalent fractions. We are getting 4 by 5 in both the cases, and criteria of passing is same. So for the same criteria, for the same condition of passing, 20 by 25 is equivalent fraction of 24 by 30. So equal fraction of students are passing with the same criteria, 60% or more. With this, we have completed exercise 7.4. Now I will teach you something very important. Say if I want to correct your pages of your notebook, then what will I do? I will ask for PDF. PDF means not picture. Okay. When we ask for the PDF of your notebook, then what you do? You take the picture of your notebook in any format. Okay. Sometimes you take picture, sometimes you take PowerPoint, sometimes you make PDF. Don't do that. Whenever you send any document in internet by email or by WhatsApp, send it by PDF. PDF means portable document format. Okay, that means a document which can be sent very easily. Okay, so in what way should you take the PDF? In what way should you take PDF? And how you should take PDF? Earlier, for taking out PDF, CAM Scanner app used to be there. But nowadays CAM Scanner app is not available. So there is one app which is called as Office Lens. This app, if it is visible, can you see the Office Lens app? This one. This Office Lens app you can download from Google Play Store. After that, I am going to make PDF of a few pages here and show you how to make PDF and send. Say if this is the copy which I want my teacher to correct, then I should not keep my mobile like this. I should not keep my mobile like this. I should not keep it in a place where it is very dark. Okay. I should keep it in a place where enough light is there. And I should keep the mobile in the direction of the, or in the orientation of the page. If the page is in the form of a rectangle, then the longer side of the mobile should face the longer side of the notebook. Okay. And then you will not need to take multiple pictures of one page. In one file only all pages will be there. Just like in a book there are many pages. Similarly, in PDF, there can be a number of pages together. So you will not need to send a number of pictures, because say if there are 35 students in your class and if I teach in 5 classes, so if 35 students send me one pages picture, So for 2 classes, you can imagine I will get 70 pages. You will feel that you have sent only 1 page to correct, but I will get 70 pages, which is not humanly possible to review. But if you send me one file with proper name, then I will be able to know that whose notebook is this. Say for example, if you see this notebook, here name is given. If you can see, name is given. So take the name of your page, or in every page you can write your name. Okay. Then scan the page like this. You can keep the notebook on a table where enough light is there and then scan it. See, when you will scan, at that time what will happen? See the red mark. The red mark will arrange itself in such a way that the important portion of the notebook will get covered. Important portion of the notebook will get covered if it is visible in the camera, isn't it? So I have to arrange the camera in such a way that the red part covers the whole page, and then we should take one picture. Now after that we can arrange this. So if I say confirm, then this page is done. Then we can add here in the same file, we can add more pages. Say I am not closing my phone. Now what I am doing? I am clicking on add pages, and then I will orient it properly. And then we'll take the picture. So in this way, we have to take the picture so that your picture which is sent to me are not in various angles. It has to be correct, isn't it? It should be visible. And when you are sending it, then ensure that you write your name in every page. Okay. So that if there is any problem in any of your pages, it can be identified. All right. So when you do something physically, it is different. But when you do something online, then you have to do it in a very different way. So you all are very much versed with technology. You are all new generation students. You know how to scan papers better than me. You know how to play various games. So you will be able to do it in a very nice manner. Okay. So don't send me the photo of your notebook by taking your mobile like this, or sometimes maybe there will be a big finger in between the camera. Okay. So don't do that. Otherwise I will go crazy. Okay. So you have done that in one of your class tests. So this time please do not do that. I request parents also to please help students to, make nice PDF of their notes and send me. Now the exercise which you have to send to me is of exercise 7.4. Okay. So exercise 7.4, all the questions which you have solved in your classwork notebook. Okay. What you do, you write down page number. Okay. Like exercise 7.4 / page number / your name. Okay. Then turn the page, exercise 7.4 page 2 / your name, and in that way make one PDF of all the pages of exercise 7.4. एक ही PDF डॉक्यूमेंट बनेगा, एक ही फाइल बनेगा. इससे आपका नेट भी बहुत ज्यादा खर्च नहीं होगा और उसको ओपन करना, सेव करना, आपको फिर रिप्लाई करना भी हमारे लिए आसान होगा. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे वैसे करके कैसे भी करके अगर आप फोटो खींच के भेज दें मुझे, ठीक है, और ब्लर फोटो रहेगा, तो मैं समझ नहीं पाऊंगा. तो फिर मैं क्या करूंगा, उसको स्किप कर दूंगा, है ना. समझ में नहीं आएगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा. एट दैट टाइम मैं एक को कॉल नहीं कर सकता ना. आपके लिए आप एक अकेले हैं, लेकिन मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा क्लास है, तो एक को कॉल करना, ठीक है, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि हम 5 बजे तक हम रेडी रहते हैं आपके लिए. ठीक है, पर्टिकुलरली मैं तो 5 बजे तक रहता हूँ. उसके बाद फिर शाम को आप लोगों के लिए फिर रिकॉर्डिंग करना होता है. ऑलराइट. सो इफ यू वांट योर नोटबुक टू बी सीन बाय मी, It is not if you want, you have to show your notebook to me. All right. I want to be very much sure that you are noting all these things in your notebook. So send me the PDF in the personal WhatsApp group, which I have created for you students, your question and my answer. The name of the group is your question and my answer. You all are added into that. So that group is always open for you all. So there you can send me the PDF. I will download the PDF. I will take 2 to 3 days time. Okay. And then I will check that and I will send you back. Okay. That's it for today. And please try to make the PDF properly of exercise 7.4, which is complete now. Pages 1, 2, 3, 4. No doubts of anything else other than what I said should be asked. That should we send you the PDF of the whole notebook? Don't ask me that. Don't do that. Do only what I am saying. You have to send only the PDF page of exercise 7.4. You will make the PDF using your mobile camera, using Office Lens app or any app. Okay. And you can WhatsApp to me, not to any other teacher. So do not create unnecessary doubts and so that I need to answer you a number of times. Unnecessary doubts should not be there. If you apply your lots of common sense, unnecessary doubts will minimize. Okay. So lesser doubts you will have, you will prove yourself to be more intelligent. But if silly doubts, if you will create, like the notebook, the PDF of which we have to send, should that notebook be covered? In that covered notebook, should we put sticker? The classwork which we will do, should we do with pen? The pen's colors ink, should it be blue? Don't ask me that. Okay. So you have to do it in a paper. Paper could be of any size. Okay. 2 standard sizes are there. Notebook size and register size. Either is alright. Both are alright. Take PDF of that and please send me. Okay. So I will see that and I will reply. And we used to do that long back. No, during the summer vacation, before summer vacation, we were doing that. In the same way, you send it to me once so that I become satisfied seeing that you are doing your classwork while I am teaching you online. Thank you.